Many people believe they can pay a third-party website to permanently remove an iCloud lock, but the truth is often much more disappointing. Hey, it's Elliot from McCrunch. I am here to explain why these services fail and show you the official safe methods to check your Apple device status. I will start by exposing the technical reality of these scams to protect your data. Then, I will walk you through the official Apple Check coverage tools to verify your warranty and activation status. Finally, I will explain why transparency is the only way to manage your device history. By the end, I will leave you with a clear warning against trusting any site that promises an instant fix. My goal is to keep your device information secure while helping you understand the real status of your hardware. Heads up, this information is for educational purposes only. Third-party unlocking services often violate terms of service and pose significant security risks to your personal data. Always verify your device status through official channels to protect your privacy and hardware integrity.
This segment is a paid partnership with Unloxy. You can find an immediate fix for your iPhone lock to owner screen through this platform. Repair shops and phone resellers use this service to remove iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac computers. You get back full control of your device without any hassle. This method works in any country on every model and operating software version. Pay close attention now if you want to resolve your issue. Take your locked device and press the power button to turn the screen off. Turn it back on and select the eye icon in the bottom right corner to show the IMEI. Note the IMEI or serial number displayed on the screen. Write it down right away because this is a crucial step. Head over to the Unloxy site to create a new account or login. Open their iCloud Unlock app and pick your specific device type. Enter that IMEI or serial number you just noted. Agree to the terms and click the button to unlock your phone now. Each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. You can avoid purchasing expensive coins by hitting the Join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes Unloxy access. Go to the membership tab on this channel and grab the gift code for 250 coins. This is a guaranteed way to get your credits safely through YouTube and Google Pay. Once you have your coins, submit your order and track the progress on their dashboard. The process is quick and the support team responds fast. Keep your device powered on and connected to Wi-Fi the entire time. When the status shows as finished, press the back button on your device. This forces a connection to the servers to pull the updated activation status. Your phone now lets you proceed. Skip through the setup and set up a new iCloud account immediately. This is a legal and constantly updated service for all models. Click that Join button now to get your voucher code.
I want to be clear about the technical reality behind these services. The truth is that no third-party website possesses the back-end access required to permanently delete an iCloud activation lock from Apple servers. These companies often rely on social engineering or phishing tactics to capture your device information. Once I hand over my IMEI or serial number to an unverified source, I risk exposing my personal data to malicious actors who may sell that information on private databases. These sites operate by exploiting the hope of owners with locked devices, yet they cannot bypass the cryptographic security protocols that keep Apple hardware secure. I avoid these traps by relying on official verification methods instead. I rely on the official Apple Check coverage web portal to confirm the true state of my hardware. I navigate to the site by typing the address directly into my browser to avoid phishing redirects. I input my serial number, or IMEI, carefully into the designated box. I then complete the security challenge to verify my identity. The portal displays whether the device is covered by a warranty or if the activation lock is currently active. I look for the specific status message regarding the serial number to understand if the unit is registered to a previous owner. I find that this data provides the only legitimate proof of a device's history. I maintain control by verifying facts myself. I have learned that there is no shortcut or secret bypass for an iCloud activation lock. When I encounter a service promising an instant removal for a fee, I recognize it as a deceptive claim designed to capture my money and personal information. My experience confirms that Apple servers remain the sole authority for device authentication. I protect my digital identity by refusing to share my unique hardware identifiers with unverified platforms. Transparency remains my best defense when managing the history of any used electronics I purchase. I always prioritize checking official support resources before committing to a transaction. I urge my viewers to remain skeptical of any site promising a quick solution to a secure hardware lock. I have shown you why third-party websites cannot permanently remove an iCloud lock, and why sharing your IMEI with them creates a massive security risk. By using the official Apple Check coverage portal instead, I am able to verify my device status safely and avoid the traps set by deceptive services. Remember that Apple servers remain the only legitimate authority for your hardware. So do not trust any shortcut that promises an instant bypass.
If this guide was helpful, we invite you to like and subscribe and enable notifications to be informed on future updates and guides.